Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the erase animation in Explained 4.0. So I've got a project open here with some basic text in this scene, which I'll use to demo the erase animation. First of all, the erase animation is an out animation that works great when used with other sketch animations. So let's go back to the first scene, and I'll click this area and choose erase, and then erase by hand, and you'll see a quick preview of the erase animation. Like I mentioned earlier, this is an out animation, and you would ideally use it with another sketch animation, like I did here in this scene, where I added a sketch by hand animation, and then an erase animation. In this next scene, I've used the erase animation a little differently, and if we preview the scene, you'll see that I've used the erase animation on only part of the text, and this can be pretty effective, as you can see. So let me show you this setup. Let me open the canvas, and I'll expand the timeline so you can see all the entries and the animations that I've applied. As you can see, I've got 3 text boxes. The first text box has the words "This is" set to sketch by hand. The second text box has the word "Good" first set to sketch by hand and then set to erase. And the third text box has the word "Great" set to sketch by hand. And notice that it's overlapping on the second text box. Let me close the canvas. And if we do a quick scene preview, you can see the animation again. As you can see, the word "Good" sketches and then erases, and then the word "Great" sketches. And finally, you can also use the erase animation on images. It works the same way like it does on text. For example, here I have a scene in which I've used the erase animation on a basketball SVG image, as you can see. Well, hope these examples helped. I'll see you in the next video.